Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the Nadaraya Watson Indicator. Just to let you guys know, this whole series is based on the Nadaraya Watson Indicator. I'm trying to formulate as much strategies as possible for you guys with this very indicator. It is quite profitable as long as you know how to use it. All right, let's get started. First and foremost, I'll say this, right? Let me say this. This is a very simple strategy compared to the other ones I've shown you guys. This is a trend-based strategy, all right? A trend-based strategy. So this strategy is literally based on following the trend. Literally following the trend. I'm gonna go to the 1 hour time frame, show you guys, and you might need to change the currency pair. Look for a trendy currency pair. Like such, but normally the JPYs are normally known for trends. Oh, look at that, beautiful. They're normally known for trends. So, all right, cool. How does this work? You want to identify a trend. That's number one. First step is knowing how to identify a trend. How do you identify a trend? There are several ways to identify the trend. The first way is just to acknowledge that, okay, cool, this market looks like it's definitely going up, right? And it could be as simple as that, right? It could be as simple as that. Give me a second. It could be as simple as that. Or you want to consider using the break of structure method. You can see that right here, structure was broken. That means it's an uptrend, price is breaking upwards. And right here, price structure is broken again. Now, whenever structure is broken and reverses back, this is called a pullback, by the way. Whenever structure is broken and reverses back, you notice that price will continue moving in that direction. Now, for us to confirm that price will move in that direction is simply by using our Nadaraya Watson envelope. When price moves, does like a pullback, breaks out, and yeah, man, comes back. You want to find a nice, pullback and a break of the Nadaraya Watson indicator, and price needs to close back in. That is very important to know. Price needs to close back in the envelope for you to take a buy. So that would have been a nice buy. And what do you know? So cool, that was another break of structure, and price was going up, price broke structure, came back again. You see price broke our envelope right here. It broke again, and if you notice, this price is quite messy, and I would really recommend that you learn candlesticks, because you can see this candlestick, even though it closed above inside our envelope, you notice that there is still a very huge bearish pressure, and I would not have taken the trade. And price came back out again, and it closed very beautifully inside. That was going to be a nice trade to take. And in a sec, that was going to be a nice trade to take, and stop loss underneath the previous low. And yeah, man, that was going to be a nice trade. And you can see it did hit take profit. You can see again and again, price is breaking out our Nadaraya Watson indicator, over and over, and we just keep taking advantage of this trend. So this is the strategy. You literally just follow the trend. Number one, determine the trend direction. Number two, wait for price to break out of our Nadaraya Watson indicator and close back in, and you take your trade. Now this goes for sell signals, for sell signals as well. You want to wait for. You can see there was a downtrend here, but it was short-lived. It was a very small downtrend, but you notice that price broke out for Nadaraya Watson indicator, and that could have been a nice sell. That could have been a nice sell. And yeah, man, that could have been a nice sell. But one thing you do notice is that the GBP JPY is a very bullish market. It is very bullish. It trends a lot. So yeah, man, take advantage of it. Take advantage of this strategy. Let me know how it works for you, and I'll see you in the next one.